So you want to learn to speak Chinese, but you don't know what exactly you should do to properly learn and retain the knowledge. You may learn a little here, a little there, and soon forget what you've learned. You feel frustrated. You feel you wasted your time. Here is your solution. I'm so excited to present my 30-day study program for Chinese language beginners. This program gives you clear content and a task to follow every day. It will definitely help you to stay focused, organized, and involved. So every minute of your study will be worth your time, and you will see a daily progress. This program is designed under the traditional standard HSK curriculum, the official test for Chinese proficiency. It includes the 100 basic words and 100 useful sentences that beginners must know. My program contains 5 parts. First, the video lessons. In the video lessons, each word is taught with practical sentences that people really use now in everyday life. You can use them right away also. They are not your normal, boring, unrelated textbook sentences, many of which are already out of date. And one special feature about my program is that it includes the word-for-word translation. Chinese sentence structure and grammar could be very confusing for beginners. So without word-for-word translation, you can clearly see how the Chinese sentences are built and understand the grammatical rules involved. Second, the Yiming Chinese flashcards. My flashcards are a powerful tool to help you to review what you're learning and keep your study interesting. My cards are displayed with fun, colorful, fresh cartoons. They are great visual aids. This is extremely important for fast learning and long-term memory storage in our brains. My cards are proven very popular around the world for students of all ages. You can print and carry them anywhere. The visuals will greatly help you to memorize the words and sentences fast and never forget. Third, the audio files. Listening is vital for learning a new language, and most people actually learn faster by listening. Since the contents for audios are the words and sentences you are learning in the video lessons, so your listening is effective and relevant. The audios are presented by a native Chinese speaker with a standard pronunciation of Mandarin Chinese. These audios can be listened to anywhere, such as exercising, relaxing, or even waiting for your subway. Take your Chinese with you everywhere you go. Fourth, the homework. A regular homework routine can help you to practice what you're learning, reinforce the knowledge, and keeps you engaged, motivates you for the next day of your study. Every day, you will have a page of exercise, and the homework is designed and presented with a proper amount of information so you can get your daily achievement goal without any stress. Fifth, the character writing worksheets. Learning Chinese characters can greatly benefit you for your future journey studying Chinese. With the worksheets, you will have a whole page to practice each word. The worksheets will show you the correct stroke order of the Chinese characters. It's very fun and educational to write and learn Chinese characters. You can even have some fun family time with them. I'm sure you will love my program. It was carefully designed by me with the help of my past and present students. And I hold a master's degree in linguistics and have over 14 years of teaching experience. I know what you need. So I can't wait to see your progress with my program. So see you in the class. You can find the link of the program in the description box below and get it started today.